All right, so in this one, we're going to go over the website Mixo. It's called Mixo, Mixo, Mixo. And what Mixo is, it is a website builder. It's an AI website builder. So this is the website that I built with it. Beautiful website. And I made it literally with a few clicks. So I'm just going to scroll up and down right now. You can see it. So it's a visually beautiful website. It works. You can click on all the buttons. It sends you to the right place. Go back. You can, it literally. So that's how you can make a website using AI and sell your product. So the point of me showing this to you is because Mixo is the way that I do it. So Mixo, you can, if you want tutorials on Mixo, I don't have tutorials on Mixo, but you can look at their YouTube videos if you want Mixo. Or, I mean, it's really simple. Like if you think website building is like, a technical job, it sounds daunting. It's too hard for you maybe. Well, I understand that. And I also, contract out website design to other people because a lot of the time website design, it takes a lot to get a really beautiful website created. It can take a lot of, different things need to be done to get that made, right? So the reason why I love Mixo is because every time you publish your website with Mixo, it's guaranteed to look like a professional website. And literally you can make these websites in minutes. That's what I did. So Mixo is the website that I love to use. Definitely you would want to check that one out.